Welcome to the Fibonacci pyramid. You're going to learn today all about the Fibonacci sequencing using Minecraft. This is such a lovely map. Here we go. So, how it works is this. You start with 2 blue cubes, okay? Actually, it'd be like, to be honest, it'd be 0 and 1 makes 1. 1 plus 1 makes the green cube, which is twice as big. So that would be 2. And then the next part of the series would be 1 blue cube, 1 green cube, 1 plus 2. That would make 3. You see? Then, you see, it carries on. Because when we look here, a green cube plus a yellow cube adds up to make one side of an orange cube. Okay. Then you look at the orange cube plus a yellow cube, and that would make up one red cube. One red cube plus an orange cube, which is the next part of the series, makes one purple cube. Okay. And then you see, you can look here, you fly to the top, you'll see 1 purple cube plus 1 red cube. That is equal to a dark blue cube. One dark blue cube plus the purple cube from the last part of the series makes 1 green cube. Side of a green cube. So, and then we go on here. You can see now, look, the blue cube plus a green cube, that, amazingly, adds up to one side of the yellow cube. Then if you add the green and the yellow cube together, they add up to one side of the orange cube. And then, of course, if you add up one side of the yellow cube plus one side of an orange cube, it makes one side of the red cube, which is, quite frankly, huge.